Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me?
We are outside. We are outside. So I'm going shopping and I wanted to take you guys along. I already know that this vlog life is not for me, and I'm here with my boss. He's probably going to make this whole thing difficult. I already know. So it's been over 2 months since the Russia and Ukraine conflict started and still going on, and a lot has changed. A lot has changed. Clothes are expensive now, cars are expensive, a lot of things are expensive. This whole thing is just, it's heartbreaking. It's affecting everybody. A lot of lives has been affected, everyone has been affected, and it's just really heartbreaking. And I'm sorry the way I'm sounding in this video. Time of the year is particularly difficult for me because I have spring allergy. It's even more sad because I love spring. I love to be outdoors. I even brought this with me. This helps to suppress the sneezing and all that. So now we're going to go into the shop and I'm going to show how the prices of things has increased. This place is closed. I don't know why, but we are going to go around.
I disappear. No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time.
These are makeup brooches and eyelashes, and the prices here are still the same. Still sold for the same amount before the sanctions. That is really good.
There will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm in.
Prices are pretty much still the same, just a little increase. As you can see, most of the products in this shop are selling on discounted prices.
Innocent, why do I try? 'Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people I don't even like. If they can be happy and walk with a smile, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time.
These are skincare products and the prices are still the same.
matter how.
So these are the prices for cooking oil. The prices are still the same, maybe a little increase by 10 rubles or 5 rubles, but they are still the same to me. I don't know, everything are still the same at the shop, just a little increase.
Much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, cause there will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for.
So the prices here has definitely increased. They added like 100 rupees or 200 rupees to some of the products here. That is like $1 or $2 increase.
The better days seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try? Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I.
Guys, as you can see, prices in some products has definitely increased, while others are still the same, and groceries are still very affordable. Guys, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy watching it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.